Tutorial, we'll cover how to analyze uh, differences between two groups using an independent t-test. I'm going to use the employee data set, and we're going to look at the differences between males and females on previous work experience. And so from here, in SPSS, I will go to Analyze, Compare Means, and I'll click on Independent Samples t-test. Go ahead and reset this for you. So here we are. I'm going to put in previous work experience as my independent variable, and my grouping variable I'm going to make gender. And gender was categorized, you can see here, it's either M or F, male or female, and so for defined groups I'll say it's M or F. It could have been 1 or 2, or 0 or 1. We used M and F here. And I hit continue, and OK. Now, if you remember from your text, the first thing you want to do is you want to evaluate whether or not you have met the equality of variances assumption, also known as the homogeneity of variance assumption. And you know that anytime you have a statistically significant difference, that p-value is less than 0.05. And so here you can see it's not. It's greater than 0.05. It's 0.109, meaning that we have equal variances and that we've met this assumption. So we're going to use this top row to evaluate our findings. We see T of 472, that's my degrees of freedom, equals 3.631. P is less than 0.05. It's never 0.00. It's usually, you would say P is less than 0.001. If you double click on this, you can actually see the exact value is 0.000313. So it's never 0.000. So you always report that as less than 0.001 when you see that value there. And we can also use our means and our standard deviations here to compute our Cohen's d. If you look at my effect size PowerPoint, you'll see that computation using this example for the Cohen's d. So we do have a statistically significant differences between males and females based on past work experience.